are you?
See you.
So good to see you.
Yes, how's it going?
It's going good.
Very
How's your
nice.
remodel?
Oh, I love it.
Yeah.
Would you like to come and see
I
it?
would love that,
All
for
right. Here is I don't know if you recall how it looked before.
I do.
It was miserable.
It was rough.
It was miserable. I mean, we had doors here and everything, but now it's a nice dining area, the way you changed everything for me. And I just love my kitchen. And I love my appliances. I love the colors here. You know what was the best thing? Well, the best thing was that you had a whole team for me. You had a team of production manager, you had a team of designer, and you yourself.
Yes.
You said you were always available to talk to me. That was fantastic. And you remember all the lightings that you've done? Everything here is set up the way it needs to be for a gourmet cooking. And I just love it, truly. I think I really appreciate the way you put this team together, what I wanted.
Yeah, thank you.
Really.
Well, part of the team is the homeowner too. You gotta have a homeowner willing to work with us.
When you guys went with me all the time, you had right people to go with me to get the tiles, to get the countertops, for the woods. I had no idea what the heck I was doing. None of it.
Right.
The windows, the doors, everything would change. And I look at it and I go, yay, yay.
It's been completely transformed. It's really just amazing.
My gourmet coffee maker is just amazing.
Yes.
Look at this one. Every time I come out of the balcony and look at here, I go, look at the custom made rails for me, the way I wanted it.
Wow.
I have my reading area. And I'm gonna point out, I don't know if you recall, these condos had all these walls.
Yes.
The layers after layers.
Oh, yeah.
And they had sharp
Like a
edges.
big shelf up there.
Yes,
I remember that,
and I wanted all of that, and you said, we can make it happen. And I said, I don't like the sharpness in the ceiling. You put all that up there, and you made sure this was, and I just love the idea of you saying, don't get rid of this.
Yes.
Of the floors throughout the house, it shows very well. I just love it. And the tiles. Look at the tile work. I mean, the way you had the person come in and do this. And here is my master. So I really enjoyed working with your team.
Oh, thank you. It's like your own personal spa.
It is! And I use this at least twice a week.
Wow.
I love it.
That's so good.
I love it. You really helped me a lot.
That's great. Yeah.
And you were always there. When we had questions, concerns about HOA, you answered them. I was like, Mom, I don't know what they're saying. You go, don't worry about it. I'll take care of them. It's like, if somebody says something, go, don't worry about it. We'll handle these things.
So good, yeah. Well, it really came out good. It was a pleasure working with you.
Thank you.
You're just awesome. I remember the first day you walked in our showroom and sat down and talked. And
I said I want somebody who would take care of me.
Yes.
And you did take
and
care
I said I
of me.
would, and I did.
You did, because that's what I said. I want somebody who would take care of me.
Yep. It's
And
definitely
thank
my
you.
pleasure to do
Thank
that.
you.
Thank you. All right.